Hello, my name is Henry. I learned meditation in the Himalayas. I've spent the last 8 years helping people to establish a daily meditation practice. Today's session is on how can I reduce physical discomfort during meditation. Adjust your posture. Experiment with different positions, such as sitting on a cushion, a chair, or a bench. Elevating your hips above your knees can reduce pressure on joints and support your spine's natural alignment. Use props. Meditation cushions or yoga mats provide extra support and cushioning to make sitting more comfortable. Stretch before meditating. Gentle stretches or yoga asana can loosen tight muscles and improve circulation, preparing your body for stillness. Reducing physical discomfort in meditation is very important if you are to build consistency in your practice. Whether it's meditation or any other thing in life that we may take on, if it is uncomfortable, it is unlikely we will continue it. We will find something more comfortable to do with our time, with our resources. Many of us know that meditation, mindfulness, awareness, these are all things that are helpful to us in our lives. So making mindfulness accessible is very important in order to continue the practice. When it comes to adjusting your posture, when I first began meditating, I began meditating on a cushion, just type of like a beanbag, a small beanbag meditation type cushion. This was very helpful as my hips were very tight. So this allowed me to sit cross-legged in a meditative posture on the floor, but still remain comfortable enough to do it for my sessions. Later, I was able to move away from the cushion and sit directly on the floor. Take your time in this process. But this will be the same as using props. So in between going to the floor and the cushion, I would fold a yoga mat a few times. And this provided a middle ground between the cushion, which was higher, and the floor that was much lower. Stretching before meditation. I typically meditate after doing yoga asana, so yoga postures. So I will, in my yoga asana routine, whatever it is for that day, I will incorporate some hip opening and some lower back opening asanas in order to prepare for sitting for meditation after my asana practice. I have found it highly beneficial, loosening up the muscles, stretching everything out, and find that my legs recover much faster. They used to fall asleep for quite some time and be numb and tingling. So I would highly recommend these practices if you would like to reduce the physical discomfort during meditation. Let's bring our awareness to the tips of the nostrils. And we'll hold here, simply observing the breath at the tips of the nostrils as we inhale and we exhale. We exhale and we inhale. Simply observe. Namaste.